Hi everybody, this is Mike Shin with AV Nation. I am here at InfoComm 2016, standing in the Solutions360 booth. I am joined by John Graham, Executive Vice President, and Tawfiq Indawala, the Director of Professional Services. How are you gentlemen doing today?
Very well.
Excellent, good. Thanks for taking the time to show us what you got going on here at the show. Let's start with a quick question. So why do you choose to come to the InfoComm show each year? What's in it for you?
Well, we've been at InfoComm for about 8 years, and it's a great opportunity for us to meet all of our customers. Everybody in the AV space is here, so we get a great time to relate to them. And all the prospects that we're dealing with throughout the year that we haven't met in person are also here. And it's a great time for everybody to learn about the new things that we're doing and meeting a lot of new integrators. It's the place to be, really.
That's excellent. Yeah, we're about halfway through the last day of the show.
Yep.
How has the show been up until this point?
It's been fantastic. It's the best, like I said, 8 years. This has been the best show as far as meeting new people. We have a lot of traffic, a lot of excitement about what we're doing, so it's been a fantastic show for us.
Well, let's talk about that. What are you doing? Talk about what your solution is.
Well, we're a little different than a lot of people here. We're a software solution provider. We have it's tailored to the AV integrators business, which arguably in specialty subcontracting is one of the most difficult businesses. A high degree of risk. You've got a lot of design that goes in on the proposal side, right before you're selling it, right through to the delivery of it. A lot of design and engineering that has to go through, and the project rarely goes as planned. You're late in the stage, so there's already time constraints for your trade. So a lot of challenges. So the software is geared towards giving people access to the information they need at the right time. And one of the big things is giving the financial picture to the project management office. So that allows the project manager not only to deliver on time and following their tasks, but also what's the financial implication of that. So it's a real-time feedback loop. So as I resource a project and have the gear that's going on there, I'm able to see what's happening profitability-wise. So it really allows our customers to grow their margins or maintain their margins, which at the end of the day is really what's important as far as growing that organization.
Yeah, I know that Solutions360 isn't the only software on the floor that helps integrators run their business. Yeah. But I think, correct me if I'm wrong, that's really a unique feature, that live profitability measurement to be able to track. That's got to be a huge selling point for your software.
Yeah, it's a nuance, but it's really important. The fact that it really is an end-to-end solution, but the accounting is part of the fabric of the software. So that allows you to leverage a lot of information that's traditionally difficult to get, or there's a latency in it. So for example, when I'm building out quotes and estimates in the system, I'm looking at real accounting information. Before it ever goes to a customer, I'm looking at what's the margin going to be on this.
Right.
So not only is it engineered correctly, but financially, what are we doing?
What are we going to expect?
So if I'm going to lower my margin, I'm going to make sure that I'm aware of what's happening. I'll burden that estimate so that my project management team can actually hit that number. So it's just giving people the information in real time, what they need to be as most effective at the end of the day.
That's an extremely valuable tool, and it hits right with the heart and soul of what drives the integration business.
It's funny on sorry.
So we're giving the right information to our customers at the right time to make the business decisions that they need to do to be profitable. A lot of other applications are out there based on features and whatnot. Our entire application is based on a process. It's designed to run your AV or system integrator business out of the box. It's designed to take from one end of the business all the way to the other end using a process. It's not a feature based where you go click here and there. It's designed to drive a process, efficient process, an effective process, giving you that niche that you need.
I would imagine workflow comes into play in conversations with your customers. How does that play out with the Solutions360 solution?
Well, it's designed based on the process. So the process is designed around, going from all the way from a lead management to opportunity engineering, all the way out to invoicing, and everybody being informed of what's going on in each department, knowing how it's going to impact them. Engineers know what's happening in sales, so they're able to leverage that information on the engineering side, how busy they're going to be, and operation, and so on. So the workflow is designed around letting people know what work they need to do, what's coming down the pipe, what's happening with the work that's within their area of responsibility, and what needs to be handled.
Excellent. Well, gentlemen, we have a lot of followers online that are in the integration business. That you have an opportunity here. What's your best sales pitch? 30-second elevator pitch for why they should consider following up with you, or swing by the booth today if they're still here.
Yeah. Well, one of the key things is it's not just about the software. There's a tremendous amount of domain knowledge that Tawfiq's team has that enables business transformation. If you look at the average integrator that might be at 5 million or they're at 10 million, it's a very different business model to get to 25 million. So the software runs your business, but it really enables you to start a business or process transformation, because you're going to operate differently each method. So there's a tremendous amount of business consulting that comes with sort of the partnering with us. It's not just a software element, it's actually quite minor compared to the relationship that we provide customers.
Now that is definitely a unique offering, because having worked with all of the previous customers, you've seen the mistakes, you've seen the missteps, so you can actually help to coach owners and executives to not make those same mistakes.
And our customers cover the gamut. You've got the 10 million that's trying to get to 20, the 20 trying to get to 50, all the way up to the $250 million company. So we get every day the impact on what each one of those companies is going through to try to get to that next step.
Wow, that's really impressive. I can see the value in where you can bring that. So where can we find you online? Where can people follow up?
Well, you can see us at Solutions360.com or KeepYourMarginsUp.com will get you there as well too. That's the best way to find us, or call us at 800-450-7748.
Excellent. Well, folks, you've seen it here with Solutions360, KeepYourMarginsUp.com. I like that one. That's a good one. Please check them out, follow up, and please keep following all of the 2016 InfoComm coverage brought to you by AV Nation. Thanks. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.